Now here's what we're going to be making today. This absolutely perfect seared chicken breast. Right, let's get cooking. Now this chicken breast is quite thick, and obviously if we put this into the pan like this, we're going to have, by the time we've cooked the middle, we're going to have very dry outside. So what we want to do is cut it in half, but cut it in half horizontally, which is why I suggested you sharpen your knife. So just going to keep our hand flat on the top and try and keep in the middle. There we are, and that's perfect. Right, now we're going to make a marinade up to put this chicken breast into. Firstly, we want about a tablespoon of a neutral vegetable oil, and we'll need about 2 level teaspoons. Now this is Moroccan seasoning that I bought. You can get Moroccan seasoning or a version of it pretty much anywhere in the world, and they're normally based on the same ingredients, and they're always pretty good. Now we can put our chicken in here, give it a good coating, both pieces. Right, we're going to refrigerate that for about an hour. Now in about 45 minutes, while that's marinating, I'm going to start preparing the salad we're going to serve this with. Right, let's get our salad together, and then we can cook our beautiful chicken breast. So I've just got some mesclun salad here. It's a mixture of salad greens, and we're going to have this with some beetroot. Now I just put this here to protect my white cutting board. Now I've got some, as I said, some feta to go with this. I find feta and beetroot are just amazing together. So I'm going to pop some over to the side and some in there with the salad as well. And on the other side I'll put some cherry tomatoes. Another wonderful thing about summer is cherry tomatoes. I just love them. Just sit down with a whole container of them and watch TV. There we are. Beautiful. Now the feta. Right, so let's dot some feta in here. The only reason we use feta is because it's so easy to sneak a taste of it while you're cooking. And that is, as you know, chef's privilege. I'm going to have that one as well. Right, let's get this chicken breast in a pan. I'll show you how to cook it to perfection. Right, in with our chicken breast. Now I've cut it so you can actually see some of this in profile, and this will help me determine when it's cooked properly. So what we're after is we want to sear the outsides, leave a very, very slightly pink tinge in the middle, because once we take these out for the next 5 to 6 minutes, it's going to continue cooking, and you'll see that pink tinge will completely disappear and the entire chicken breast will be cooked to perfection and still nice and juicy. So we're going to leave that for about 4 minutes and then we'll turn it over. Right, these are just ready for turning over. And there you have it. I've taken them out. I'm going to rest them for about 5 minutes. Right, let's give that 5 minutes and then we'll slice it and pop it in with our salad. Right, that's 5 minutes. Let's and there you can see completely cooked through. So we're going to slice these. I'll do that and then I'll come back. And there you have it. Perfect. So I'm going to drizzle some ranch dressing on the top here, and then through that we'll just run a little bit of our Cabernet Syrup. There we are. Beautiful. Let's get in and have a taste. Right. Whoops, sorry. Let's have a little taste, shall we? So I want to get some of that with the Cabernet dressing. A little bit of tomato. And some greens. Yum. Oh wow. That is absolutely superb. Well, this was just a quick lunch, really, but it's turned into something amazingly yummy. Thank you for watching. I hope you make this, and I'll catch you on the next recipe.